Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to everybody. And I am doing a collab with Sharmaine's Staycation. Sharmaine and I share the same birthday, which is today, December 17th. So she's a lot younger than me though, y'all. But that's okay. We just really have become good friends and discovered, I think it was last year, that we have the same birth date. So we have decided to answer some questions. Sharmaine came up with a list of questions for us, and Smudge is coming on over, and then we have a giveaway for y'all. We want to get, it's our birthday, but we'd rather give to you. So, you know, we love to do that. Both of us love to do giveaways. So I'm not sure, you know, he's not here for my birthday, y'all. He's here to aggravate my Christmas. Anyway, let's get started, okay? So Sharmaine made up these questions. And it is, what is your favorite birthday memory from childhood? And y'all know I'm not the best with, hey Smudge, I'm not the best with memories, y'all, unless somebody tickles my memories. But I do remember, and this is probably not true, you know, because it couldn't have happened every year. But my birthday is the week before Christmas. So my mother, when I was a kid, see, nowadays they put up trees like the day after November 1st, the day on Halloween, before Halloween. You know, it wasn't like that when I was a kid. People put up their tree a week or so before Christmas, maybe. Some people still put up their tree on Christmas Eve when everybody would go to bed and Santa would bring the tree. So my mother would always make sure the tree was up at our house for my birthday. And I can't tell you that it was exactly for the 17th. I think it was. But usually that weekend that the 17th was near, you know, we would have a party. I would have a party, a birthday party. And it was, you know, like for family, not so much kids. I know we had kid parties, but it was more so, I remember family parties more. And my mom would always make a homemade birthday cake. And my favorite cake you can't really find is the yellow cake with chocolate frosting. You know, you can go buy a white cake with or a yellow cake with white frosting, or a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. But it's hard to get a yellow cake with chocolate frosting unless you make it yourself. And I just remembered that Cinderella would be on often, or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on my birthday. And again, that's what I'm saying. That might not be true. But it was the Cinderella, the Rodgers and Hammerstein version. You know, it was like a live action. Okay, I better move on or we'll be here forever. What's your favorite thing to do on your birthday? Probably my favorite thing to do is to hang out with a few friends, go out to eat, you know, have a good time, just gabbing. That's what I like to do. Smudge, you're in the way of my questions. Do you get excited when your birthday is coming? No, I don't. I may have one time in my life, probably when I was a little kid, but other than that, I don't think I've ever been super excited about my birthday coming, y'all. Or she said, or do you get sad? No, I don't get sad. I'm past that stage. It's not, you know, you do, you know, when you're 40, 50, you sort of, yeah. But then I think last year, it was like, I was really, I had a lot of anxiety. I thought like the world was going to end, but then my birthday happened and it was just like any other day, y'all. So it was okay. What birthday do you wish you could do over? I really don't care to ever do over much anything of my life. So I will say, I don't know. Smudge, you'll have to sit down. You'll have to sit down. Oh, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right. What advice would you give your younger self? So much advice. If I could sit down with my younger self, it would take 20 years to tell her everything. I mean, there's just so much. But I would have to say, I mean, this is just one important thing, is don't get so angry. I used to get angry about everything, about traffic, about everything. It just doesn't help to get angry. It just doesn't. What is something you like to do for yourself on your birthday? If I am able to be off that day, I wouldn't mind sleeping in a little bit. You know, maybe doing some nice self-care, you know, a face mask or facial or something like that. Getting a pedicure would be nice, that kind of a thing. What is your favorite song to dance to? And there's so many songs that I love. You know, we all love so many songs. But one of my favorite songs from being a younger person and going out with friends is Amy Stewart's Knock on Wood. It's just such a fun song. everybody gets all excited about it, and, you know, knock on wood, it's a fun song. What was the best advice you received this year? And y'all, I don't know. I don't know. I'm sure I've received advice this year, but what it was, I couldn't tell you. I don't know. But I guess Smudge's nose is just dripping like crazy. Good golly. Things happen when they're supposed to, when the timing is right. And what is something you accomplished this year that you are happy about? Again, you know, I just live my life the best I can. I enjoy my YouTube channel. I really do. What's a goal that you have that you want to complete before your next birthday? And I would just really like to be here on YouTube. I know that anybody that has a channel, you know, wants to continue their channel, but some of my friends have stopped their channels or, you know, dropped off and for different reasons. And I want to be able to keep my channel going. I would like to do that. I enjoy it. I enjoy talking to y'all. I enjoy visiting with y'all. So that is that. Let's get on to the giveaway. And oh my goodness, y'all. This is just, you know, this is how Smudge is. He's right here. So, all right, Smudge, can I show everybody the giveaway? All right. How this giveaway is going to work, you have to be subscribed to Sharmaine's Staycation, and you have to be subscribed to me publicly. And I will make this an international giveaway. Because Sharmaine is in Canada, so she makes it, well, you listen to her rules, because I don't know what her rules are going to be. Mine are publicly subscribed to both of us, and go on over to her video and wish her a happy birthday. And that'll be what, you know, you'll have to do that. I'll have to see your comment that you've wished her a happy birthday. And comment below. And you can just say enter me is fine. And let me show you what we have. If I can move Smudge enough to show you what we have. Okay, of course, you know me. I have to do sheet masks. So I have a few, oh my. He's just dripping his nose. It's like water. It's like water running. It's like I have the faucet on over here. So I will wipe off these masks, y'all. I'm so sorry. I've got a Tony Moly I'm Lotus mask. This is a very luxurious, lovely mask. And then we have some of the plainest masks that I've recently received from Boxy. This is the Revitalizing Face Mask in Retinol. And Firming Face Mask in Collagen. Radiant Facial Mask in Vitamin C. And then I have the SF, all right, Smudge. The SF Glam Straight Gold Foil Face Mask. I love this mask. And the Avery Beauty Shea Butter Hand Mask. And the SF Suns Out, Pouts Out Lip Mask. And Grace and Stella Lovely Eye Masks. And one of my very favorite eye masks, the Dew of the Gods eye mask. You know, these are like gold to me, y'all. So, all right, Smudge. And then we have the Zoe Ayla dual-sided rose quartz facial roller. This is really gorgeous, y'all. This is rose quartz. It's real rose quartz. It's not plastic. It's not fake. It's dual-ended. Very beautiful. Okay, Smudge. Smudge. Okay. You have to sit down, love. I'm gonna have to stop, y'all, if he doesn't. Just come on. Of course it wouldn't be. It wouldn't be. Anyway, I had gotten several of these, y'all. The Skylark Coconut Cove. This is a roll-on perfume, and it smells pretty good, y'all. It's like beachy. I would call it beachy. And we have the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer from Ciate, London. And this is it here. I love this tube. It's so cute. All right, he's moving on, thank goodness. We have one of my very favorite balms. This I got recently in the Macy's calendar. And this is Elemis, and it is called the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This stuff is fantastic, excuse me, for taking your eye makeup off. I love it as my first cleanse. Love it, love it, love it. I was gonna try to go in order of skincare and makeup, but that wasn't possible with Smudge right there. I have the Inica brand eye pencil, and I believe it's a black pencil. And we have the Larizzi Cosmetics highlighter. That doesn't usually happen in my neighborhood, y'all. It's usually pretty quiet around here. This is hard to open. Okay, here. It's very gorgeous. It looks like a, I have had it before, I should know, but I think it's a cream base highlighter. That's what it looks like. I just don't remember. And we have this, when I opened this, I got this in Glossy Box, I'm pretty sure. This is the Eyescream Beauty mascara. You had to pull this strip here, but I'm going to give you the box just so in case you have to read about it. It's the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara from Eyescream Beauty. I have not tried this mascara because I only got one, but I wanted to give you a mascara because I'm giving you some eye products. And then we have the Josephine Lippy. This is gorgeous. This is the Meet Tiffany color. Look at how gorgeous this is, y'all. All right, there's the container and there's the brand name there, and that's it there. It's a gorgeous red in this beautiful lucite. And this is a lip gloss. It is a, but it's a good, it's more coverage like a lipstick, but it's not, it's a, I mean, I don't want to open it, but it's a doe foot is in there. So, and then we have a palette. This is the Ciate London Spice palette. I think I got this in Ipsy, y'all. This is stunning. Whoops, there's a color saver coming out. This is, see that beautiful gold trim all around it? It's this beautiful cranberry color. It has a mirror on one side. This palette is, it's just gorgeous on the inside. It has gold trim everywhere. And here are the colors. Beautiful neutrals with cranberries. Very similar to what I'm wearing. Beautiful colors. So that is the giveaway. And this giveaway for me, now do what Sharmaine says in her giveaway, in her video. Follow her rules and do what she tells you in her video, okay? My video is going to be a little bit different because of time frame. We were going to run this about 2 weeks. Well, that brings us to the end of December, beginning of January, and I have another giveaway that's ending right at that time. So I'm going to end this on, all my notes are gone because of the lovely smudge. Okay, I'm ending this on, I think it's January 7th. Yeah, I don't even know where it's at anymore. Thank you, smudge. Anyway, I believe it's January 7th. I'll put that in the description. I think that's a Saturday, and I'm going to end it at midnight. And then give me a couple of days to get a video out for the winner, okay? And there'll be one winner, and I'm not responsible if any of this bothers you. Please look at ingredients so that it doesn't cause an allergic reaction. Once I will get a tracking number from the United States Postal Service, and once I send it out, it's out of my hands. But I will get that tracking for you, and it should, I've never had any trouble, so I'm sure you'll get it. I did want to wait until January to send it out because of Christmas, you know, packages and stuff. I think it would be better for everybody. So that's it, y'all. I hope that you have a wonderful holiday weekend, and I hope that you enjoy this giveaway. And you know, if you'd like to share me out to your friends and let them know about the giveaway, I'd be happy to have anybody enter. Like I said, just say enter me. That's all. You don't have to do anything special, but you accept that you have to wish Sharmaine a happy birthday, and you have to be subscribed publicly to her and to me, okay? And if you don't understand anything that I've told you, then please ask me and I'll be happy to tell you. Thank you so much for stopping by on my birthday, y'all. It means a lot to me, and count your blessings. Love y'all.